Hey, hello there, welcome back to a big weather update today. Right now, Taipei weekends and now basically gone now. However, though, heavy rainfall is still a threat going into tonight. We have an Eastern Pacific area of interest, and we have a moderate risk of excessive rainfall in the next 3 days, slight risk of severe weather in the next 3 days. Quite the active picture, we'll get right into it. Since Taipei died, we're not going to be showing a graphic about it, but however, though, we have an AOI right now, area of interest right now, 0% the next 48 hours, and throughout the next 5 days, we have a 20% chance. Right now, a broad area of low pressure is expected to form in the next couple of days, quote by the the National Hurricane Center, and yeah, it's expected to start moving west, and slow development is expected. So anyways, through tonight right now we have a slight risk across Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, maybe a small portion of Louisiana. Then we have a marginal risk across Missouri, Kansas, Arkansas, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, and Louisiana, Oklahoma, New Mexico, Colorado, and Texas. Day 2, we have a slight risk across southern Texas, and also marginal across Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Kansas, also Texas. Day 3, we have a slight risk across Montana, Wyoming, South Dakota, Nebraska, and also Colorado. Marginal across Texas, New Mexico, Colorado, and also Kansas, Nebraska, Colorado, and then also Montana, North Dakota, and South Dakota. So anyways, we have 5% tornado, 15% hail, 15% wind, and again, the main tornado axis is going to be mostly across eastern Texas, going to central. And also we have a couple scattered areas of 2% tornado. Moving into the wind, again, basically within the slight risk area, and same thing with hail, same thing within the slight risk area. So if you're in Texas though, San Antonio, moving through near Shreveport, maybe west of there, that's where you could be seeing far west. You could be seeing the most tornadic activity, almost severe weather, really. So anyways, though, moving on. Right now, looking at day 2, we have 2% tornado, 15% hail, 15% wind. Again, with 2% tornado is going to be more towards Lubbock, Abilene, south of Amarillo, and going southward. And looking at hail, it's within Corpus Christi and point southward. The same thing with hail. So anyways, though, right now we have 15% probabilistic on day 3. Right now uncertainty showing, but right now it's looking to be moderate to pretty strong instability values, maybe some decent shear. But as we progress, we'll probably continue to monitor the environmental conditions that are possible that day. So anyways, looking at rainfall in the next 3 days right now, some high amounts are expected to cross through North Dakota, through Wisconsin, maybe even across Montana. But with Texas, the main story, several inches of rain is possible on that day and next 3 days. And we'll be showing the excessive rainfall outlooks actually right now. Looking at tonight for the excessive rainfall outlook, right now we have a moderate risk across Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas, and Louisiana. Slight risk across Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas. Marginal risk across Colorado, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Missouri, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana, Texas, and yeah. Then for tomorrow, we have a moderate risk again for across Texas and Louisiana. Slight risk across Louisiana, Texas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Kansas, Missouri. Marginal risk across Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, and Nebraska. Then on day 3, we have a moderate risk across Texas, Louisiana, slight risk across Texas, Louisiana, and Oklahoma, marginal across Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas and Louisiana. That's it for today's video. Yeah, not really much, a lot of stuff actually occurring, but yeah, that's it for today's video, and goodbye.